not gonna read all that. Why? So, as you all know, 17, no, actually Applewood just dropped their dates for Southeast Asia tours. We have Singapore, we have the Philippines, and it would be on March 21, if I'm not mistaken. Anyway, it's March. That's like summer season here in the Philippines. Anyways, ito na nga. Carat membership registration is today, November 6. November 6. November 6 din nila in-announce yung tour date. That would be on March. And guess when is the pre-selling? Guess, guys. Guess. Come on. I thought wala na tayo sa curse na to kasi nga tapos na tayo sa the selling date is on November 18. It's less than 2 weeks. And parang wala pa pong 13th month Christmas bonus. What I'm also trying to say here is that last night I tweeted na miss ko na sila and I really want na mag-concert. Fast forward to now. We already gave the date. And fast forward to lunchtime. Look what I just got from a delivery. It's my 10th anniversary carat bong. Ngayon lang siya dumating. And honestly, November 6 is such a wild ride, you guys. This is also an unboxing of the carat bong. Like, imagine, I was crying last night. Not really crying, but I was emotional last night. Kasi nga namimiss ko na si Walon, sa militar nating mga babies. I really missed the concert, so I was like watching my IG reels, highlights ko from last night. Sabi ko, sana mag-concert na kasi I really miss them. Para bang anak ako ng contractor, para naman makabili ka agad. Oh my gosh. Century. I'm not gonna read all that. 10th anniversary and bag. Then, ay! Wow, look at the dough. Diamond. It has their names on it. Look at the diamond. It's so pretty. Lalagyan ng battery. Nasa baba siya ngayon. Then, put back muna. There we go. Nalock. Hope it works. Why? Or baliktad. Hoy, why is that? It's working! Hold on. So, ipipress pala siya ng matagal. The product is on. Wow! It's so pretty! Oh, pretty! I think they're almost the same. Mas matangkad lang si version 2. Yay! So that's it, guys. Thank you for coming to my ranting session. Anyways, see you 17.